Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Dal Vada recipe, also known as Parippu Vada in Malayalam. This Dal Vada is super crispy and crunchy and can be made as a quick evening snack for the whole family. So let's quickly dive into the recipe. To make Dal Vada, also known as Parippu Vada in Malayalam, I have already soaked half cup of toor dal for about 20 minutes. And the dal is nicely soaked and I have washed and rinsed the dal. I'm adding the washed and rinsed dal into my dry grinder jar. Just strain the water and add in. Strain the water and add in. I'm keeping aside 1 handful of the soaked dal. Add in 1/4 teaspoon whole black peppercorns, 1 garlic clove, this is optional, pink Himalayan salt as needed, 2 to 3 shallots, half teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of jeera, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, a sprig of curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida, and I'm going to grind this coarsely. I'm pulsing it only a couple of times. And once pulsed, this is how it looks. The dal is coarsely ground. Transfer the coarsely ground dal into the bowl and mix it into the soaked dal which we had kept aside. At this stage you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. While grinding, if needed, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. I didn't use water because I didn't keep the dal on a strainer. I just strained it directly from the water and added into the blender jar. So some residue water was there. Now into this I'm finely chopping in 1 green chilli. Also finely chopping in about 5 to 6 shallots. Shallots or small onions are a good source of iron and folate, hence I prefer to use them more in my recipes. And now with my hand I'm mixing this really well. This is a quick and easy, healthy evening snack. The whole family can enjoy it as a tea time snack. Before frying, just make sure whether you can gather it into a small bowl. To fry the dal vada, I am heating my small cast iron kadai with wood pressed coconut oil. I prefer to use a small kadai when I am deep frying, as even though you may need to fry it in 3 to 4 batches, I can reduce the quantity of oil I am using, and I also don't prefer to reuse the oil when I am deep frying. So my idea is use a small kadai, less oil but extra batches to fry. Once the oil is heated, take a small dough ball in your hand and roll it into a smooth round ball, and then place it on the palm of your hand and press it with the palm of the other hand. And just press it down, and you can just shape the sides if there are any cracks. And carefully place it into the hot oil. Repeat the same with the rest. Because it is a small kadai, I can only fry 3 vadas in one batch. And fry it on low flame for about a minute and then carefully flip it over. Remember that healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oil. Hence, I prefer to use wood pressed oils in my recipes. Also, homemade food does not contain any added preservatives, color additives or racing agents. So do try to make your snacks at home and avoid buying snacks from outside. When you're making it at home, you know what ingredients are being used. Another 1 minute later, flip it over again. Flip it over again. Remember, I'm frying on low flame. I'm also using a cast iron kadai which retains more heat. Once the vadas are golden, remove it from the kadai. Repeat the same thing. In Kerala, we enjoy Parippu Vada along with ripe plantains. You will get 8 medium-sized Dal Vadas with this recipe. And my crispy and crunchy Dal Vada is ready to serve. You can see how crispy and crunchy this Dal Vada is. So guys, do try this Dal Vada and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.